Recent weather is putting a damper on fire season.
But experts say it won't be enough to stop an active season when temperatures start to heat back up. News 10's Caitlin Conrad has that story.
Rain in the Rogue Valley was just what firefighters were hoping to see this week. But team leaders say it won't be enough to extinguish an active season this summer.
Kind of a dampening rain, not really a wetting rain.
Brian Ballou with the Oregon Department of Forestry says the biggest thing the rain brought was a delay to fire season.
Well, earlier this week we were looking at maybe starting fire season early next week.
The on and off showers not enough to reverse the dry trend.
I think the second driest calendar year on record since 1912.
Lutz is a meteorologist for the National Weather Service, and he tracks forecasts for ODF.
Things have dried out quite a bit, and our spring has been really dry, and so that sets us up for potentially a very active fire season.
Lutz says right now it looks like it will stay cool through May, but he says it's not enough.
Really, the only thing that's going to cause us to have a below average fire season or something that was even kind of normal would be if we suddenly got very wet, and that doesn't look like it's going to happen.
Ballou says the recent rain has helped keep the green up, something he wants people to pay attention to. In Oregon, 44% of the land is privately owned, which means preventing wildfires isn't just up to the state. Experts say right now is a time to get a hold on the defensible space around your home.
It's always good to be doing some of the mowing now, especially along the roadsides and around your home, your barn, workshops.
Covering your news in Central Point, Caitlin Conrad, News 10.